Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. TGTX looks like it's gonna run. TGTX looks like it wants to make a run. So the reason why I have this purple line is, you guys know this by now, it's simply just a high. So it needs to break 991. You can put 995 if you want. Breaks that, it should continue to the upside on this. Larger time frame looks great. It's up 20%. It's broken a huge downtrend. You have room all the way up to $11.46. So you can mark this here like that. That means that if it breaks this 995, you expect it to push to 11.46. That's the next area of resistance. At the moment, you're still looking to push this 995. We can see it is pushing to the upside right now. It is bullish. It's looking good. I'm expecting it to break above this soon. IBRX, I play this every single day this week. I played it last week, Friday. It's been my top gainer all week. So this one, I'm just playing the continuation. I mean, I just expect this to continue to go up. I might actually post my trade review on this in a picture format. I've done it for the Discord members, but I can post it on Twitter for you guys to understand why I took the trade. We entered around, let me have a look what price I entered at. IBRX yesterday we entered at 285. So 285 was the level that we entered, which was around here. So yeah, this one paid pretty well yesterday. Looking for a continuation. I mean, we can see, yes, it's in this falling wedge, so I do expect this to break out of this level. You can see the candles, it's not that great. There's a lack of volume. However, I'm simply just looking at the chart on a larger time frame, right? I mean, there's a no-brainer why not to buy this thing. There's nothing in the way, really, to be honest with you. I guess we could say this level right now, but I'm just expecting continuation, that's all. So we have had a couple rejections here at this 354, but since it is in this bullish pennant or falling wedge, sorry, I do expect this to break out of this. When is it going to happen? I'm not sure. I will wait for it. I won't be entering now. I don't like to enter trades during pre-market too much, to be honest with you. Unless it has some kind of volume. Otherwise, it's just difficult to know what will happen. IBO guys, like when you guys give me charts, right, or like pre-market movers like this, like what do you see? Like it's very simple, right? Just mark the high, that's it. So nothing complicated about it. Even if you're starting out trading, this is probably the easiest thing you can do. It doesn't take any skill or anything. It's very simple. Just mark the high of what's happened during pre-market. If it breaks that, you expect continuation. If it doesn't break that, then obviously it's going to be trading in a range, right? So you obviously wanted to break above this high now. I wouldn't be entering now, because if you're trying to enter now, you're just trying to guess and hope that it will continue. Will it continue up? It should do. It's up 6%. I think there is some kind of news coming in with this. I'm not too sure, but this is a former runner. Simply all you need to do is just mark the high. That's it. Nothing complicated. You don't need to look at what's happening with the MACD. You don't need to look about what's happening with EMAs, none of that stuff. It's not important for this kind of price action at the moment. So simply just mark just look for 0.300 break. So I just keep it very simple, guys. I know some other people have probably other strategies and things, but I look more stuff on a shorter term base, simply because I'm a day trade scalper. I don't look long term. I don't hold a stock for a certain price target. I don't know what this is going to be tomorrow, the next day, in a year, 2 years. I just look for my pullback entries. I trade for my 3 to 5%. If it keeps going, great. If it doesn't, I only lose 3%, right? So I trade that way. No one can really tell you, well, I don't know if anyone can tell you what price of stock will be at in the next couple days. So if they do know, let me know so I can join their page. But yeah, I just simply play what's in front of me. That's all. So I don't hold for price targets. That's one thing I don't do. CLSS, this is my top gainer today. Yes, it is. I think it is a top gainer this morning, 167%. I gave this entry on Discord and on Twitter for you guys, actually. I just simply said, let's try and see what I said here. Give me 1 second. I think I said just mark one of the levels. Yeah, so I said mark this 237 level, which was the high. It was somewhere around here. So I simply said mark 237 break. I actually did take some at 237. I did sell it way earlier than I wanted to, obviously, but I do like that this is pretty much holding these levels. It's still in a bullish uptrend, up 167%. It's in a channel down pattern. This is bullish, although it does have down in the word. It doesn't mean that it's bearish. You do expect this to push to the upside, right? So hopefully it does come down to 250 and push back up, but otherwise it will probably break out. I want $3 today. I hope it does go to $3 because I know some people are in it still. But I don't know if it will go there. So according to the technicals, it should break out and push to 275 at least, and then all the way to $3. So this should be on everyone's watch list. If it's not, definitely add it. TRKA. Barris, I just did WNW on my Twitter. You can have a look. There's nothing really going on with it. TRKA, I mean, it's up 5%. It's not too much. Very, very, very bearish. I don't really like this chart, to be honest with you. It's not my kind of style of play. I know it is probably a former runner, as of most of these stocks. 4 hour. You just have, I'll just give you the levels here, but at the moment there isn't really too much to be going on about with this one. These are your levels here at the moment. So obviously we needs to hold this $1. That's that big psychological level. Needs to hold that into open. We can see its previous support as well. Then it just got dumped here all the way down to 62 cents. It's breaking the downtrend, which is a positive. There's a nice open. Well, yesterday was a nice run up, so there might be bullish momentum to the upside. 50% yesterday. 133 is your next level, then 162 on that. Yeah, W and W, there's nothing going on with this from what I just charted. Yeah, there's nothing. These kind of plays are very difficult. Where did you see this one, Barrios? I'm assuming Reddit or something. 2 other people just asked me on Twitter as well. So with these kind of plays, guys, you can simply just look at the chart. I mean, for my kind of trading style, it's not great at all. I mean, there might be news coming or something's going on with it. But for me, there's no real reason. There's nothing to be entering this at the moment, to be honest. I mean, if you want to say anything positive about it, it's held an area of support. It is pushing to the upside, but there's not enough volume for me. It's only up. It's not even up 1% this morning. So this is something that I would avoid, unless you do know there's something going on with it or there's news coming. Then good luck. But at the moment, I just would be avoiding that kind of play. ALDX. I just did this one as well. So all I did was, this one's actually pushing up right now as we speak. This has been going up and up on this one actually. So we can see right now, 187 was an area of support that I marked just before I came on live. So you can see that this is an area of support. So that's all I've done is simply just mark that. And then I just marked the high, that's all. So now we can see, since it's held that level, we can see that it's pushing to the upside. It's actually looking very good right now. It's pushing more than I expected. What was the news? I can't remember. Someone just posted in Discord. Exclusive option agreement with every license to develop, commercialize, reproduce. I mean, it's just pharmaceutical, I'm assuming. Company or therapeutics, whatever it is. But yeah, I mean, we can see that this is held in area of support. So simply just mark this level. That's very easy to do. And then just mark the high. Trying to enter now is very difficult. If you want to enter now, you can, obviously. It's just very difficult to predict how low it's going to go before it does hopefully push to the upside. Ideally, you want it to break the high, then you can look for safer entries. Trying to enter now is higher risk, that's all. So if you want to enter now, go ahead, keep a stop loss. Two people just asked me IBIO at the same time. What's going on with IBIO? Yeah, IBIO is nothing going on there. TGTX, I like this one a lot. I know I just talked about this one. Candle wicks aren't that great, but I'm literally waiting for is 995 break. I'm not going to be entering within this level here. It's not my kind of trade style at all. ALDX, yeah, I just talked about this one. Looks good, pushing to the upside. IBRX, this is probably my number one watch again. Traded this all week as well, as I just mentioned at the start. So this one should break above. GDEV, this is up 13%. Volume's not quite there, but last 5-minute candle was pretty bullish, or it is bullish engulfing, I guess. Any entries you want to take on this, I would wait for this high break here. 311. Just not really interested in this trend line break, to be honest. So you can look for this level here. If it breaks, it's 312. I'll mark this here. So it's not really one of my watches at the moment. I do have my watch list just simply because it's up 13%. AVTX, I think I shouted it earlier. AVTX is just kind of consolidating. It's losing it now though. We did break out of that falling wedge that we had here. Let me just remove that. But we can see that it was consolidating within this range. It looks like obviously it's losing this level. Next level is the support zone here, but if you're trying to look for entries above this blue line here, 0.1120, safe entries above this purple line, 0.1275 on that. Could you see CRSP? They got some good news. CRSP. Since the news, it's just sold off. So I'm not too sure about this one. This chart is very difficult to analyze. If we're looking at it simply on this time frame, we can see that it's in a downtrend. We noticed that it has broken this downtrend. However, all I would do is from the price action I can see at the moment is simply just mark the high. I say that a lot simply because I don't really know what else is going to happen with this play. It's very difficult to analyze something that is still pretty much in a downtrend. There's no clear direction, right? So all you need to do is just mark the high, see if it breaks that, and then hopefully continues to the upside. But other than that, I would just really wait for it. It's not my kind of style of play at all. But if you like to play off news, just be very, very careful. Most of the time, you're going to be late to the news because everyone gets in early, especially with these bigger, larger cap stocks. A lot of inside trading, all that kind of garbage that happens. So just be careful with that. Bought 200,000. Oh, AVTX. Nice. Good luck with that. Just be careful. I know a lot of people are in that. I'm not too sure why a lot of people are in it, but yeah. MNPR. Did this run yesterday? Something. Oh no, it was another stock. It was MRSN, sorry. So this one is simply just mark the high. So if this breaks the high, you can look for possible entries on this. So all you need to do is just mark the high, 0.7428. Very simple and easy to do. I highly recommend all you guys to start doing this. It's just a very easy way to see your chart and what is actually happening with the stock. So mark the high, mark the lows or an area support. So you can just round this up to 0.52. So there you have two levels now. So now you can see that, yes, okay, it's trading within this range. Look at the trend. Let's see from here to here. Obviously, we can see it's bullish. It's in an uptrend. It's up 61%. We do expect this to break this level. So good luck if you are in this. I do like this trade. So yeah, this looks like a very good play. If you do like sub $1 plays, I'm personally not interested in these, but yeah, it should break. It looks very good. So if you want to get in, grab it, go ahead. Stop loss should probably be around below here. That's a lot more than 5%, but it's up to you. Yeah, this is MMPR here. NKLA, this one, was it yesterday? I think, or Monday it ran. NKLA, this one is just very weird to trade. If we are looking at the 4 hour here, so we have to look on a much larger time frame because of the lack of volume at the moment, but we can see that it's since this level here around pretty much this $1 level, it's held it. We can say, I guess, it's kind of forming this ascending triangle, so we do expect a breakout. Safe entries are above 116. It is bullish at the moment. We can see the price action is very simple and easy to follow. It's just this, right? So we do expect this to break to the upside. If you want to take entries, go ahead. I would have my stop loss just below $1 on NKLA. Yeah, I think I just did BTI men's. Let me have a look. I just marked, it's just a mark of a high, I think it was. Yeah, look. Yeah, BTI looks good. So, I mean, look, since it's 260, 250 level, it's pushed all the way up. I mean, it should break above. We have resistance here, though, from, what was this, 2 days ago? So, resistance here, rejection, and then rejection here. Hopefully, if you get a candle close above this 420, because you haven't got a candle close, right? So you see this is just a wick, that's just a wick, that's not, if you get at least, I would say at least a 5-minute candle close above this, 420, then you can look for possible entries. But, I mean, looking on a larger time frame, it is bullish, but just, there's a lot of triple top here, so a lot of rejection at the moment. But just for confirmation, wait for that break above, that's all I would do, personally. For those of you guys just joined, if you can do me a favor and like up the stream, and then also subscribe if you haven't. Our videos are coming out soon to post on YouTube. Most of them are just going to be trade reviews, and most of the runners that we do play in the Discord. Currently on a 12-day trade win streak, which is very, very good. Today I will be trading with 50% trade size. For those who don't know, it is FOMC, so the interest rate hikes possibilities. We're not too sure yet what will happen, but we'll just see how things do go today. I'm going to be trading for the first couple of hours as usual for the Discord members. But other than that, I'll just probably be avoiding the rest of the day simply because I don't want to be trading really, to be honest. During FOMC, it's kind of my worst day. So trade smart. If you do trade today, just be very cautious of the market conditions. Your setups probably won't work out as usual. But yeah, good luck if you are. Also, this TGTX, I'm expecting this to break out, by the way. So looking very, very good. So I expect 995 break. So if you want to grab some, it's worth an entry in my opinion. TGTX is worth an entry here for sure. Yeah, sorry, I just got a question in Discord. Let me see. Oh yeah, Power, I do like, CHRS. Yeah, I do like CHRS, Z-Trader, this is it. So look, it's in a falling wedge pattern, right? I'm expecting the price to break out of this. I traded this yesterday. It was a great trade. We got it under $3 from what I remember. Expecting price to break out of this simply because it's in a falling wedge. Huge bullish momentum from yesterday. 341 is your next resistance level, but yeah, I'm expecting this to break out of this. So yeah, this one looks very good. Expect continuation 11% yesterday, and 341 is a big level as well. So hopefully we can break above that. No problem, Leo. We're all. I just charted this one as well. It looks good. I like it. So we can see it found an area of support, which is good. Entering now is very risky. You need to wait for a trend line break. I would wait for this trend line break at least to break it, but it has a lot of room to the upside. So former run as well, it's down 13% yesterday, it's up 9% today. Yeah, so this is kind of my analysis just in a downtrend. So I personally don't like to enter now. During intraday I normally would kind of enter this level, but I use different strategy for that setup. But at the moment you can see that it is trying to push to the upside now, right? So it's found an area of support, and now we can see it is trying to push to the upside. So hopefully it does break if you are in it. So good luck. PSTV, this one's okay. I'm not really too interested in it, to be honest. I might just move it off my watch list. GDEV, this one's starting to get some volume, so this one looks very good actually. I wouldn't be surprised if this starts running any minute. So this is actually broken out of a falling wedge. I know there's a lack of volume here with these candles, but the last last 15 minutes of candles, we have noticed there is an increase in volume, right? We can simply just go here, look at the volume, and then look at this. Yeah, so we can see what 15,200 to 2,000. So the buyers are coming in, buyers are stepping in. That is a good sign. Market's opening up in 30 minutes as well, so it looks like buyers are stepping in just before open. So keep an eye on this. This is probably stop loss 240 is the area of support on this. So just simply mark that like that, and then that's kind of how you can trade this one. So it's already broken out of this, but your next area resistance is at 312. So this is GDEV. So the buyers are stepping in on this. If you guys have any other tickets, feel free to post. I will be in here for maybe 5 or 10 more minutes, and then I'm gonna head into the Discord. So feel free to post some tickets. TJTX keeps going higher and higher. I hope that it does run. Some people are in the Discord. Someone just messaged me on Twitter that they are in it as well. So good luck. But I expect this to. Break this level. It's going higher and higher and higher and higher. So it looks good, good, good. MNPR. Oh yeah, MNPR. Let me have a look at that one again quickly. Oh yeah, TPST. Yeah, TPST. I just did the daily on that, men's. I'm not sure if you. I think I posted in the Discord. Look at the daily. So the daily is bullish, right? So I mean, if you were to enter this, your stop loss is like, I guess just under 3. But yeah, price action is nice. Former runner as well, so definitely worth a watch on this one as well. I mean, it's a much larger time frame, but it does look good. We can see it's found area support here at 380 as well. So yeah, keep this one on watch. So it's down by 1.5%, but it's okay. PLTR. PLTR 4 hour is bearish, right? So I mean, all I do is literally look at the most recent price action, draw the line from here to here. We can see that it is in a downtrend. Would you enter now? Definitely not. Why? Because every time it's come to this, it's been rejecting it like so, right? So wait for it to find an area of support, should be your first sign. Find an area of support, which it has, great. Now you needed to start pushing to the upside, so higher lows like that. Then you needed to break this downtrend. Once it's broken that downtrend, then you can look for possible entries. Trying to enter now is okay if you would like to. It's just a lot higher risk. For me, I don't like to kind of enter those kind of trades right now, simply because it is higher risk. I'd like to wait for more confidence and more confirmation rather than just trying to enter the trade. So good thing is that it has found area support. So yeah, hopefully it does break to the upside. If it does so, it does need a reversal. It has room all the way to $18 as well, so keep this on watch for sure. This thing's pushing up again. There's the breakout as expected on CLLS. $3 should be easy for this one today. All right, I'm gonna go through my watch list and I'm gonna head into Discord. So obviously this is my #1 watch simply because it is up 172%. It's the top gainer. And then yeah, I do expect 275 and then $3 is your next level. TGTX, this is going higher and higher. Don't miss it if it does run, because we saw it already down here at 930. It's already at 960. So there's no sign of selling and no. Yeah, 995 is your level. So this is probably going to continue to the upside. ALDX. All I'm doing for this is simply just waiting for 237. I'm not looking for any entries around this level. It's just a gambling zone in my opinion. IBRX, probably my also #1 watch, simply because it's in a falling wedge. Looking at a larger time frame, it's very easy to see that this is bullish. Expecting 340.54 break. I'll look for an entry at open and see how this does. GDEV, I like this one as well. Buyers are stepping in on this. We'll see where this does go at open, but I'm not going to be entering right now. CHRS, same thing with this, expecting continuation, 11% yesterday. Big breakout on the falling wedge here as well. So yeah, 341, and then you have 357, then you have a lot of room all the way to $4. So yeah, keep an eye on this one. It looks good. I like this one a lot as well. So I'm gonna head into the Discord now, guys. If you have any questions regarding my chart posts or anything, also we do have spots open for this month. I'm gonna put an announcement. We have 10 spots available for this month. Actually 9 spots. Someone just took it. Someone took it this morning. So we have 9 spots for the Discord this month. Once they are gone, they are finished. Here is a link if you want to join. We also have a 3-month tier if you would like to join as well. So we have some 3-month tier, and then we have 9 spots left for the month of November. I hope you guys have a great month. Remember, it is the start of the month, so just chill out. FOMC today. Just if you don't want to trade, I recommend not trading. I will be looking for setups if there are any for the first hour or so, but other than that, I probably won't be looking for too much. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will catch you all tomorrow. Thanks for joining, guys, and I'll see you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.